Welcome to the CSIR-Crops Research Institute in Kumasi, Ghana. My name is Dr. Felix Frempong, and today I want to talk about the 3 upland rice varieties, also known as dryland rice varieties, that we have released in October 2022 this year. So the 3 upland rice varieties are CRI Kafasi, CRI Cho, and CRI Ofosu. And these varieties are climate smart rice varieties in the sense that they are able to use less water because they are upland compared to lowland varieties. And they are also high yielding. In fact, the potential yield is about 8 tons. On farmers' fields, we are able to achieve about 5 tons per hectare. Now, these upland rice varieties are able to perform as Nerca 1. We all know that Nerca 1 is one of the best aromatic rice varieties in Africa that were released some time ago by Africa Rice. And our 3 rice varieties are better than Nerca 1 in terms of taste, in terms of appeal, and then also other sensory qualities. Now, these varieties are able to help the farmer to be able to increase his revenue for more than 10% in terms of income coming to the farmer because of their high yielding. Now, the average yields of upland rice is just about 1 ton per hectare, but with these varieties, like I earlier indicated, you are able to get about 5 tons per hectare on farmers' field.
We have recently released 3 upland varieties. These rice varieties are climate smart in that they can be grown upland where maize is grown. So we all know that one of the biggest contribution to greenhouse gases is lowland rice cultivation. When we put a lot of nitrogen into the lowlands, and then it turns into nitrous oxide, and then it affects the ozone layer. So when you grow these upland varieties, it's very healthy for the environment, because we cut down on the nitrous oxide, we cut down on methane gases as well. On the side of its benefits to the farmer, these rice varieties are very high yielding. Upland varieties are a little less productive than lowland, but these ones can yield 5 tons per hectare or more, which is very good for an upland variety. And then for rice, grain quality is as important as the yield, because even if the yield is high and people don't want to eat it, it's difficult for the farmers to cultivate it. So these varieties are long, slender, and aromatic, and that is what is desired by most of the consumers in Ghana, and even West Africa, and most parts of Africa. So on the side of the market, is very good, or on the production side, is very good. It's climate resilient, and it's also good for the environment. In that, as I mentioned earlier, it does well in upland. So the issue of rice, where paddy rice cultivation contributes a lot to nitrous oxide and methane gases, that aspect is catered for. This rice is very good, it's climate smart, it's high yielding, it has excellent consumer qualities.
These 3 varieties that we have released have better agronomic qualities as compared to our check, which is Nerca 1. I want to talk on one aspect of what informed this breeding. Nerca 1 is a type of rice that when you cook, the rice becomes hard after it's left there for some time, and it is all due to the high amylose content that Nerca 1 has. Nerca 1's amylose content is around 30%, 29 to 30%. And that makes it hard when you cook. But then these new varieties that we have released had cross combinations with lines like WAB, Jasmine 85, Tox 3377, and IDS 85. Jasmine 85 and Tox 3377 cook softer. Therefore, that one being at the background of these three varieties that we have released has reduced the amylose content to a level where when you cook it, it doesn't become that hard as compared to our check, which is Nerca 1. Nerca 1 happens to be aromatic, and therefore these new lines are also aromatic. So the aroma was picked from Nerca 1, but then the taste of Nerca 1, as I said before, has been improved, especially concerning the amylose content. And that makes these three varieties that we have released more superior to Nerca 1 and more appealing to consumers. Thank you very much.